Hello everybody, this is my assignment. This is our assignment. Today I'm going to show you how these codes actually work in Raspberry Pi. So basically what we are trying to do here is we want to detect intruder. Once we detected there is an intruder which will cover the LDR, and what happens is the LED will light up. When there's no intruder, the LED won't light up. So I'm going to build this code. I'm gonna run this code. As you can see, as he covers the LDR, the light is light up, and then I'll just do it here. Once he covered, there is intruder, and when he lets go, there's no intruder. And we can scale one more time. When he put his finger over there, the light it's light up, and let go, it doesn't light up. It's very dim, but it works. So please like, share, and subscribe.